Hi, what's up? Mr. Highway here. Today I'm going to share with you this question that my students sent to me to ask me how to do. And it's a short question, but it looks not very easy. Alright, so let's have a look. Given that 2a is equals to 3b equals to 7c, find the ratio of a is to b is to c. Right, so first of all, we need to ascertain what topic this is. And we see this. We see that 2a is equal to 3b equals to 7c. And so maybe this is an algebra question. And we think about algebra, we can always, and we have ratio, isn't it? So it's got something to do with fractions maybe. But definitely you're not going to solve for a, b and c, okay? It doesn't work like that because you simply can't find the value of a and b and c to make this thing work. You just need a ratio. So we just need to express each other as fractions and then we can do it. At the same time, you have a, b, c, so that's ratio. A is to b is to c. Speaks of ratio. This actually represents two different ways that we can solve this problem. So first of all, to me, more intuitively, I think of ratio. And so the first thing that comes to my mind is in fact the PSLE primary school kind of model drawing kind of technique that comes up to my mind. Okay, so let's draw the model then. We have one bar here that is A, okay, and then we have B, and we have C. What this is telling us is that 2 units of A is the same, you see, so we have equal length, right, as 3 units of B, which is also the same as 7 units of C. We just need to see what's the relationship here, okay, and this is to this is to this. How we're going to do this question is basically just to break each of these pieces up into smaller pieces of equal size. Then we'll be able to make a comparison. And if these pieces are going to be broken down into smaller pieces of equal size, then how many pieces would there be in each of these bars, which is equal length? Well, it's actually the LCM of 2 and 3 and 7. So it will be 2 times 3, 6 times 7 is 42. The LCM is 42, and so I'm going to break each of these bars into 42 pieces, 42 pieces, and 42 pieces. Okay, so how many then would there be in this one? Okay, it will be actually half of the whole thing, which is 42, which is 21. So then this is 21 pieces. As for this is 1/3 of 42, which is 14 pieces. Okay, so this is in fact 14. And finally, this is a 1/7 of 42, so that gives us 6. So we have 6 pieces here. Then the answer becomes obvious. The A is to B is to C is just 21 is to 14 is to 6. Okay? Alright, quite easily done. The second way to do it would be the algebra way. If you want to do it by algebra, that works as well. Okay, and we see that 2a is equal to 7b equals to 3c. Okay, we can break this up into 2 equations. Okay, we have 2a is equals to 3b, and we have 3b is equals to 7c. Yeah, so we break it down this way. Oh, I'm going to use 2a instead. Yeah. 2a is equals to 3b, and 2a is also equals to 7c, right? So I'm going to make b the subject here so that we can do a bit of substitution. So we see that b is equals to 2 over 3a, 2/3. From here we see that c is equals to 2 over 7a, right? Just bring the 7 over, divide, and you have c equals to 278. So now what we want to find is actually a is to b is to c. From here, a is to b, b is 2/3a, isn't it? So I'm just going to change it to 2/3a, and then c is 278. So I'm just going to sub it in 278. Yep, and then we do a cancellation. You see that this 1 is to 2/3 is to 27. And we just multiply throughout by 21, which is the LCM of the denominator. Then we can see that a is to b is to c would then be multiplied by 21, right? So 1 times 21 is 21. 21 times 2/3 is 14. 21 times 2 over 7 is 6. Yeah, that's right. So this is the algebra way. Personally, I find it the model way much more easy to understand. It took me a while to just figure it out how to express this, in front of a video. But either way is fine. Let me know what you think is a better way for you. Which one makes more sense to you? And I'm going to give you another question to try so that you can figure out how this thing works, okay? Give the question a try and let me know how you find it. Let me know your answers and I can give you a feedback on whether it's correct or not. Alright, see you next time. Like and subscribe. Bye!